Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Start by confirming the double-click occurs consistently during gameplay and in Xbox accessories. Test the A or B button on the console and on a PC to isolate the issue. Gather tools before you start: a T6 screwdriver, isopropyl 90%, compressed air, and a replacement microswitch costing about -5. Remove batteries and any cable to fully power down the controller. Work on a clean, flat surface with organized trays for screws and parts. This preparation saves time and prevents lost components during repair. Open the shell carefully using the T6 screwdriver and set screws aside in order. Use compressed air to blow dust from around the button mechanism and joystick wells. Dip a cotton swab in isopropyl 90% and clean the contact area gently to remove grime. Press the problematic button 20 times slowly to help redistribute lubricant and seat contacts correctly. Inspect the plunger and spring visually. The spring typically measures about 3.5 mm when seated. Reassemble and test before moving to replacement if problem persists. If cleaning fails, replace the microswitch by desoldering the old switch from the PCB carefully. Use a proper soldering iron and wick or pump to remove solder without lifting pads. Install the new microswitch, solder clean joints, and trim leads to prevent shorting. Reinstall the plunger and spring, then reassemble the shell and screws in original order. Power on the controller and calibrate buttons in the Xbox Accessories app. Update firmware if prompted to ensure optimal responsiveness and to finalize the repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.